Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to force activities to be resizable on Android. So you can try to do it by activate a developer option in the about phone on settings. You can try to search build number, tap it repeatedly. Now you can go back. Now you can access a developer options on the additional settings. This one, developer options. Now you can scroll down and try to find try to find force activities. This one, make all activities resizable for multi-window regardless of manifest values. So this option forces all application to be resizable, which can be buggy, fixed for apps that don't work in split screen mode or cannot be resized on Chromebooks. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.